Xiaomi 12 and 12 Pro, it is official now. Xiaomi revealed launch date, poster and design of Xiaomi 12 and 12 Pro. Xiaomi announced the launch event will be held in China next Tuesday 28th this month. Not only has Xiaomi confirmed when it will be revealed, the Xiaomi 12 series, but it has also showcased what two models look like, and most of you guys are waiting for the Mi 12 Ultra, but that device is coming next year and it's coming with amazing specification and design. Xiaomi is trimming down the screen size. The Mi 11 Ultra size is 6.8 inch and the Mi 12 Ultra comes with 6.6 inch, but including massive size of DSLR on the back, which may be little bit expensive. Not only confirm the design of two models, but there appears to be a third model in the offing. To seemingly Xiaomi is preparing to release the Xiaomi 12, 12 Pro and 12X. Recently Redmi general manager Liu Weibing posted on his Weibo that basically confirms that Xiaomi 12, 12 Pro and 12X is not so expensive devices, but with awesome specifications. Xiaomi confirms their MIUI 13 out of the box. Xiaomi 12 and 12 Pro comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 CPU with Adreno 730 GPU, and Xiaomi 12X comes with Snapdragon 870 based on Snapdragon 865 series. Xiaomi 12 series has display made A+ level highest rating with outstanding color accuracy, depth performance, 16,000 level screen brightness adjustment, more sturdy with Gorilla Glass. Coming to the design, Xiaomi 12 comes with 6.2 inch center punch hole with small display dual curve edges. The 12 Pro is slightly big with dual curve edges too. In back there is a rectangular camera shape. The Pro version supports 120 watts fast charging. 12 will support 67 watts fast charging with 5000 mAh battery. Xiaomi will use a 50 megapixel ultra large bottom main camera. The other will have a 200 megapixel ultra high pixel main camera. It is the iOS Cell HP1 sensor with size of 1.22 inch, and the ultra variant is coming in 2022 with mind-blowing specification with no notch no hole camera display with MIUI 13 out of the box. Some of the new feature. That's all for now. See you in the next video, and thank you so much each one of them who subscribed my channel. Thanks for your love and support. Peace out.